Hi, I'm Jared Kuritz, and I am a huge fan of audiobooks. As a consumer, I love the flexibility I have to be able to listen to them doing a multitude of other things, whether it's busy work, traveling, working out, and so on. And I don't think I'm alone in that. In the last 10 plus years, audiobooks have shown double-digit growth in consumption, in production, and in sales. But as a book marketer, I absolutely love them. Audiobooks create an opportunity for flexibility in marketing like no other book format. You can use them to build your contact list, leverage media opportunities, create new and exciting engagement opportunities with influencers and bloggers, sponsorship opportunities, customization and bundling, and so many other things that I discovered along the way. In the last 30 plus courses that I've taught for IBPA and Publishing University, I think this is the one I'm most excited about. Let me tell you a little story. About 4 years ago, I was bringing one of my clients who lives locally to narrate her audiobook. I had shopped around for studios and gotten a great recommendation. It was about 30 minutes north of me. So I picked her up, drove her there, made sure she was settled in with the producer. And then the owner came out and offered to get to know each other a little bit because she was going to be about 4 hours for her first session. So when he and I went and got coffee, we started talking about what each of us did and what our pain points were and so forth. And I expressed to him my absolute excitement about audiobooks. But I also explained to him the things I wish I could do with them, including some of the things I just mentioned to you. By the end of our conversation, we'd come up with a game plan and he said, let's build it. So we built an audiobook marketing platform that I planned to just use internally. About 6 months later, when it launched, I was like a kid in a candy shop. I could do all of the things I wanted, and I kept asking for more and more, and we kept stacking it on. So today, I'm super excited to teach this course to you because I'm going to pull the curtain back and show you all of the things I do to fully leverage audiobooks on behalf of publishers and authors just like you. Things you probably haven't even thought of, or things you probably wanted to do but didn't realize you could. On top of that, this isn't just about idea sharing. This is about execution. So with this course, you will also get access to the same marketing platform that I use to execute all of these activities so that you can go out and do it on your own. Sound good? I look forward to seeing you in class.